Greetings one and all, welcome back to my channel here today, where we're going to be making a nice cocktail, a Negroni. Beautiful classic flavours in this one, and it's just going to be a really quick video. I'm actually sort of just cheating a bit. This is a video just to basically update where my channel's at and what's happening. Now don't worry, my channel's not closing or anything like that, but yeah, there's going to be a little bit of a temporary change. But first of all, let's make this cocktail. So, a Negroni. I've got my usual suspect, I call it a cocktail shaker, but it's actually a kind of an insulated water bottle that I use as a substitute. I'm just going to throw some ice into that. Bash it in a bit if you need. Just a few pieces, no worries. Alright, I'm going to take my gin, and I'm using some nice Tanqueray gin. And we're going to throw in 1 ounce. I'm going to take some Campari, or in this case my Campari substitute, which is exactly the same as Campari. Basically Campari is it's like a blood orange and bitter sort of flavour thing. We're throwing in 1 ounce of that. And third ingredient, I've got some sweet vermouth. In this case, Cinzano Rosso, which is perfect sweet vermouth. Again, 1 ounce. Whack the lid on. Give it a good shake up. Okay, next I've got my glass there, which I've had chilled. I'm just going to throw in 1 or 2 cubes of ice. I'm going to get my strainer and pour in my Negroni mixture. Let's top it up with a bit more ice, eh? And that, my friends, is going to be my drink, and it's going to be a farewell drink for now. Alrighty guys, I know I don't usually jump onto the front of my videos like this, but yeah, I just want to say to my regular viewers, my subscribers, yeah, I am actually, by the time you see this, I'll actually be in transit on my way back to Kenya. I've got a bus trip, 4 flights to go before that happens as I speak. But as you watch this, I could be, I don't know, sitting in Singapore in transport to transit, or who knows, on the flight to Addis Ababa or somewhere like that. Anyway, on my way to see my fiance again. yeah, I'll be bringing some videos from there. Who knows what the content's going to be like. Just bear with me. I'll be there for a month, and yeah, what you'll see is what you'll get. I will be getting back to my normal format when I get back. So cheers to one and all. Delicious. And I will see you all soon. I'm going to get my strainer and pour in